Hi students, in this class we discuss image formation due to slab and mirror combination. In previous classes we have learned image formation due to mirror, image formation due to slab. But in this case combined mirror and slab, then how images form? Here I am taking one glass slab of thickness of the glass slab is taken as T, and refractive index of the glass slab is taken as N. N be the refractive index of glass slab, T be the thickness of the glass slab. One of its surface is silvered, then it behaves like a combination of mirror and glass slab. Actually, in glass slab, what happen? Refraction takes place. In mirror, what happen? Reflection takes place. So, if we observe, one object is placed in front of the glass slab. This is taken as O object, which is at a distance of x meters from the first surface of the glass slab. Sir, for this glass slab, this is the first surface, this one is taken as a second surface. How light ray changes its path when traveling from one surface to another surface, and what is the final image position? Now we discuss. So, object is placed in front of a glass slab. Object is at a distance of x meters from the first surface of the glass slab. Then light ray is incident on the first surface. What happened after that? It refracted into the second medium. So from the object, light ray is coming and incident on the glass slab. What happened? Light ray travels from air to glass slab. Then it refracted. Light ray travel from rarer medium to denser medium. It bends toward the normal. So first we should draw normal. After that we draw refracted ray. So here this is the normal. Refracted ray is bending toward the normal, and if we extend it back, it forms a image at some other point. This one is taken as a I1. So here first one image is formed due to this refraction. Here refraction takes place. Light ray travel from rarer medium to denser medium, bend toward the normal. If we extend it back this way, it cuts the principal axis at one point. At that point it forms a virtual image that is taken as I1. What is the image distance from the first surface? So we know already image distance in case of refraction, image distance is equal to object distance into n2 by n1. n1 means in which medium, refractive index of the medium in which first light ray travels. n2 refractive index of the medium into which light ray refracted. So from the first surface, object distance is x. First light ray traveled in A, that's why air medium refractive index 1, and it is refracted into glass slab, its refractive index is n. So that is equal to n into x is the image distance. So image distance from the first surface is equal to n into x. Image distance from first surface is equal to n into x. Now, this refracted ray is incident on the mirror. Then what is the object distance from the mirror? So, object distance from the mirror. So, that means this image act as a object for the mirror. This I1 act as object for the mirror. So, from the mirror, I1 distance is equal to, this is t and this one is nx. So, object distance for mirror is equal to nx plus t. Understood? Because this I1 act as a object for the mirror. So, its distance is n into x, from the mirror nx plus t. Now, what happened? Light ray is incident on the mirror. With what angle light ray incident? With the same angle, light ray will reflect. Again, we should draw one more normal. With what angle light ray is incident? With the same angle, light ray will reflect. And this reflected light is incident on the first surface. If you extended back this ray, it forms a image. So, here one image is formed. This one is taken as I2. What is the image distance? We know in plane mirror, object distance is equal to image distance. So, from here to here, this distance is equal to nx plus t, we can get nx plus t, object distance is equal to image distance. So, nx plus t is the image distance. Again, what happened? This light ray is incident on the first surface. Light ray travels from denser medium to rarer medium. It bends away from the normal. Again, we should draw one more normal and draw the refracted ray. This is another normal. Again, light ray is refracted. Here, it refracted. If we extended the ray back, it forms a final image is here. This is the final image position I. So then what is the final image position? See here, final image position, again we should use the same formula to calculate the final image position. So image distance is equal to object distance into n2 by n1. Now this I2 act as object for the first surface. So now I2 acts as object for first surface. Object distance from first surface is equal to, actually what happened, nx plus t, but for this surface again one more t is there. So for this surface, this is the object, so this distance is equal to nx plus t plus t, so that is equal to nx plus t plus t. So finally we can get nx plus 2t. nx plus 2t is the object distance for the first surface. Then it forms a final image at point I. Now we calculate that one. So now we calculate final image distance from where? From the first surface. So its distance is equal to same formula, that is equal to final image distance is equal to here object distance nx plus 2t into first light ray travels the medium of refractive index n. So that's why here n we can get n tend into medium of refractive index 1 by n. So from this we can get nx plus 2t by n we can get, write it as a fractions, then we get nx by n plus 2t by n. So then final image is formed x plus 2t by n. So this is the final image distance from first surface. From first surface. But what about final image distance from the mirror? So final image distance from the mirror image distance from the mirror is equal to, we want to calculate from mirror means we subtract this t value, then we get x plus 2t by n minus t we can write. That is the final image distance from the mirror. One problem given here. An object is placed in front of a slab of refractive index 1.5 of thickness 6 cm at a distance 28 cm from it. Other face of the slab is silvered. Find the position of final image. Here we have to calculate position of final image. So object is placed at a distance 28 cm from the slab. So in this case x is equal to 28 cm. What happened? Object is placed at 28 cm in front of a slab. First light ray incident on the first surface. Here refraction takes place. That refracted light is incident on the mirror. But for this mirror, this light ray is appears to coming from this point. That means this I1 act as object for the mirror. Next, with what angle light ray is incident? With same angle light ray will reflect. This reflected ray extended back, we get one virtual image inside the mirror. Now, for this first surface, this I2 act as a object. So, again, it is refracted into the first medium. But for this surface, this I2 act as object. And if we extended this back refracted ray, final image is formed here. So already we derived formula to calculate final image. Here thickness of the glass slab, the given T is equal to 6 cm. Refractive index N is equal to 1.5. That is equal to, we can write 3 by 2. So substitute these values in this formula, then we get image distance. So final image distance from the first surface, x plus 2t by n. X is equal to 28 plus 2 into t is equal to 6 divided by n is equal to 1.5. This 1.5 cancel out 4 times in 6. 4 times. Then 28 plus 2 4s are 8, which is equal to 36 centimeters. So final image distance from this surface is equal to 36 centimeters. In same way, final image distance from the silvered surface, final image distance from the silvered surface which is equal to x. X is equal to 28 plus 2 into t is equal to 6 by n is equal to 1.5 minus 6. Again if we simplify, then we get to 30 centimeter. This is the final image distance from the silver surface. So here we got final image distance from the first surface is equal to 36 centimeters, from the silver surface is equal to 30. Same problem we can do in another method. Suppose there is no change in the medium, object is in front of the mirror. So then image distance is equal to object distance. So here object distance is 28 centimeter from the surface. So from the mirror is equal to actually 36. But here shift will takes place because of this glass slab. Shift will takes place. First calculate shift due to mirror. We know formula T into 1 minus 1 by n to calculate the shift. So that is equal to T is equal to 6 into 1 minus 1 by n. N is equal to 3 by 2. 1 by n is equal to 2 by 3. That is equal to 6 into, take LCM 3 minus 2. So that is equal to 6 by 3. 2 centimeter shift will take place. 2 centimeter in which direction shift takes place? So shift takes place always in the direction of light ray. So light ray is traveling towards left. That's why it also shifted towards mirror 2 centimeter. So object distance from the mirror is equal to object distance from mirror is equal to what happened here? Object distance, actually this is 28 plus this is 6. 28 plus 6. But some shift will take place. So we subtract the shift. So that means object distance from the first surface plus thickness t minus shift. So that is equal to 28 plus 6 minus shift is equal to 2. Finally we can get 32 centimeters. So that is the object distance from the mirror, 32 centimeter. Now what happened? So object distance is equal to image distance from the mirror. In plane mirror, image distance from mirror is equal to object distance from mirror. So that is equal to 32 centimeter. But what happened? Again here light ray is refracted. Due to that again 2 centimeter shift will takes. In which direction? Light ray is going like this. That's why shift also takes place in same direction. So final image distance from mirror is equal to 32 minus shift. So 32 minus 32, 30 centimeters. We got final image distance. In this way, we can calculate by using the shift. Also, we can calculate the final image distance. So from the mirror, image formed at 36 centimeters. From the first surface, image formed at 30 plus t, 36 centimeter is the distance. Next problem. A point object O is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. A glass slab of refractive index mu is equal to 3 by 2 and thickness 6 centimeter is inserted between the object and the mirror. Find the position of final image when the distance x shown in figure is 5 centimeters and 20 centimeters. In this problem, this is the x. Object is placed at a distance 32 centimeters from the concave mirror. Thickness of the glass slab is given 6 centimeter and its refractive index 3 by 2. Focal length of mirror 10 centimeter is given. So to solve this problem, first what happened? Light ray is coming from the object, is incident on the glass slab. What happened? Light ray traveled from one medium to another medium. It bent toward the normal. So it is bended like this. Again, it bends like this, bent away from the normal. So final image is found at some other point. This image acts as a object for the convex mirror. So this object appears closer than the actual distance. So that's why first we have to calculate shift takes place due to this glass slab. So shift is equal to thickness T into 1 minus 1 by L, 6 into 1 minus its reciprocal 2 by 3 will come, 6 into 3 minus 2 by 3 will come, 2 times 2 centimeter shift will take place. So in which direction shift takes place? In the direction of light ray. So light ray is going like this. That's why shift also takes place 2 centimeters. This is the shift, that is equal to 2 centimeter. So this one acts as a object for the concave mirror. So object distance for the concave mirror is u is equal to 32 minus shift 2 centimeter, 30 centimeter. Focal length f is equal to 10 centimeter. Then first calculate image distance. From this 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So 1 by v is equal to 1 by f is equal to minus 1 by 10. Sorry. Mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Minus 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by 30. According to sign convention, it gets negative. Take this side. Then 1 by v is equal to 1 by 30 minus 1 by 10. So from this, if you take LCM, here LCM is 30 LCM, 1 minus 3 we can get. So finally we can get v is equal to minus 15 we can get. V is equal to minus 15 centimeters we can get. So that means final image is formed at minus 15 centimeters. Now, suppose this glass slab is placed at 5 centimeter. Then what happens? It is placed 5 centimeter, image formed at 15 centimeter. That's why shift will take place. Because of that shift, final image is formed at 17 centimeters. So because finally light ray is going in this direction, so it is going like this incident. After that it reflected, and the reflected light is traveling in this direction. So that's why shift takes place 2 centimeter. So glass slab is placed at 5 centimeter. Then final image formed at V plus shift. So that is equal to 15 plus 2, 17 centimeters from mirror. Next, suppose this glass slab is placed at 20 centimeters. 20 centimeter means at 15 centimeter real image will form. At 15 centimeter real image will form. In case B, so final image formed, image formed at 15 plus 2, which is equal to 17 centimeters. That is also virtual image. But what happened at 15 centimeter right as really big because of this concave mirror. So image formed at 15 centimeter is real inverted. So this is the final image. Final image is formed at 17 centimeter, but one real image also formed at a distance of 15 centimeters from the concave mirror. So this is the image formation in case of slab and concave mirror.